Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to zero your AR-15 iron sights step by step. First, gather your essential tools, including a front sight adjustment tool and appropriate targets. Next, select a safe shooting range, ideally with a 25-yard or 50-yard distance available. Always ensure your rifle is completely unloaded and pointed in a safe direction before making any adjustments. Safety is paramount throughout this process, so double-check everything. Now let's prepare your sights for the initial zeroing. Begin by setting your rear sight aperture to the large, unmarked opening, which is best for close-range shooting. Then, adjust your front sight post so it's flush with the top of the sight base. This provides a good starting point. Finally, confirm your target is securely placed at your chosen zeroing distance, whether it's 25 yards or 50 yards. With your sights set, it's time to fire your first groups. From a stable shooting position, fire a precise 3-shot group, aiming consistently at the center of your target. Carefully analyze where these shots landed relative to your point of aim. Based on this group, you'll make your first windage and elevation adjustments. Remember, small, deliberate changes are key to achieving an accurate zero. To fine-tune your zero, adjust windage first, then elevation, making small, consistent changes to move your group towards the bullseye. Repeat the 3-shot grouping process after each adjustment until your shots are consistently centered. Once you're satisfied, confirm your zero by firing a final, precise 5-shot group. This ensures your AR-15 is accurately sighted in for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.